Most people get paid, and within 72 hours, they have no idea where the money went. Not because they're irresponsible, not because they don't make enough, but because nobody ever taught them what to do in the first 24 hours after a paycheck hits. I'm going to fix that right now. What I'm about to show you is a simple, step-by-step routine. Takes less than 15 minutes, and if you do it every single time you get paid, you will never feel broke again. Stay with me. The first thing you do, the second your paycheck hits, before you do anything else, transfer your savings first. Not at the end of the month. Not whatever's left over. First. Immediately. Non-negotiable. Here's why. If you wait, you will spend it. Every time. That's just human psychology. So the rule is, pay yourself before you pay anyone else. Open your banking app right now and set up an automatic transfer, even if it's just $25 or $50, to a separate savings account the moment your paycheck clears. You don't miss what you never see. This one habit alone, done consistently, builds more wealth than any investment tip you'll ever find on the internet. Don't skip this. And don't skip what's coming next, because this is where most people completely lose control. The second thing to do is called the 3-bucket method. After savings, here's how you split what's left. I call it the 3-bucket method. Bucket 1, fixed expenses, 50%. Rent, car, utilities, subscriptions, insurance. These are the things you have to pay. Set aside 50% of your take-home pay for these. Automate as many as possible so they're gone before you can touch them. Bucket 2, lifestyle, 30%. Food, going out, shopping, entertainment. This is your living life money. Spend it guilt-free, but only this bucket. When it's gone, it's gone. No borrowing from bucket 1. Bucket 3, future you, 20%. Half of this goes to savings, which we already handled. The other half, kill your debt or invest. If you have high-interest debt, attack it aggressively. If you don't, start putting money in an index fund or retirement account. The 50-30-20 rule isn't new, but barely anyone actually does it. Now you know exactly how. The third thing to do is the 15-minute money check-in. Here's the secret weapon that ties it all together. The 15-minute payday check-in. Every time you get paid, sit down, phone in hand, and do this. Step 1. Check your balances. All accounts. Know exactly where you stand. Step 2. Review last period's spending. Where did the money actually go? No judgment, just awareness. Awareness is power. Step 3. Confirm your transfers went through. Savings, bill payments, investments. Step 4. Set your fun budget for the next 2 weeks. How much can you actually spend on lifestyle without stress? Step 5. Write one financial goal you're working toward. Just one. It keeps you anchored. That's it. 15 minutes. Do this every payday, and within 3 months, you will feel more in control of your money than you ever have in your life. I want you to think about someone right now, a friend, a family member, who needs to hear this. We're going to come back to that thought in a second. The mistake that destroys everything. Now let me tell you the mistake that wipes out everything I just told you. Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, and suddenly you need a nicer apartment, a newer car, more expensive dinners. Your income goes up. Your expenses go up. Your savings stay the same. This is why people earning $80,000 a year feel just as broke as when they were earning $40,000. The fix? Every time your income increases, keep your lifestyle the same for at least 6 months. Put that raise straight into bucket 3, future you. Just 6 months of discipline after a raise can change your entire financial trajectory. The people around you will wonder how you got ahead so fast. The answer? You stopped letting your lifestyle eat your progress. So here's your action plan, and I need you to actually do this today. 1. Set up that automatic savings transfer before tonight. 2. Split your next paycheck using the 3-bucket method. 3. Schedule a 15-minute money check-in on your calendar every payday. That's it. 3 steps. 15 minutes. Every time you get paid. Money isn't complicated. It just rewards the people who show up consistently. Now, remember that person I asked you to think about? Send them this video. Right now, you might change their life. If this helped you, hit that like button. It genuinely helps more people find this. Hit the subscribe button if you want more no BS money content every week. And drop a comment. What are you doing with your very next paycheck? I'll see you in the next one.